Configuring Cooperage in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to set your keg deposit rates, aging thresholds, and barrel pool so my alerts and reporting are built on the right numbers. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Settings, Cooperage Settings from your dashboard. If you barrel age or track keg deposits, this page sets up how I manage your barrel pool. Start with your deposit rates, what you charge or hold per keg size. Click a value to edit it inline. Set your aging threshold defaults. The warning in critical day counts a barrel can be out before it's due for a check. That's what drives the yellow and red alerts you'll see on aging barrels. Configure your Cooperage pool. Enter the barrel types you use by size and wood so they're selectable when you fill one. If you track barrels by individual ID or tag, turn that on so each barrel gets its own record instead of only a count. Save. These settings apply across your Cooperage module, so get the deposit rate and aging thresholds right before you start filling barrels, because that's what my alerts and reporting are built on.